Mastering everyday English. Take a drink, explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the simple yet common phrase, take a drink. Understanding such phrases is key to everyday English conversations, and we're here to clarify its meaning and usage. Let's get started. Take a drink is a phrase that means to consume a liquid, usually in a casual or social setting. It can refer to any beverage, such as water, tea, coffee, or even alcoholic drinks. This phrase is often used in social gatherings, meals, or breaks during work. Context is everything. Take a drink can be used in various situations. Socializing. Let's take a drink and catch up. Hydration. You should take a drink. It's very hot today. Offering. When someone offers you a beverage, they might say, "Would you like to take a drink?" There are other ways to express the same idea. Have a drink, grab a drink, sip on a drink. Each variation is common in spoken English, so it's good to be familiar with all of them. While we're not using phonetic transcriptions, remember to stress the word take slightly, as it is the action word in the phrase. The word drink should follow smoothly, without any harsh emphasis. And that's a wrap on Take a Drink. We hope this video has been informative and adds to your confidence in using English in everyday situations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to take a drink of knowledge whenever you can. Cheers to your learning journey.